Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to revert an update on Steam. This can be useful if you play with mods that the current version of the game is not supporting. First I start Steam, then I go to Library and right click on the game. Here I select Properties and switch to the Betas tab. In the drop-down menu I can now select the patch I want. After that, I close this window and we are done. The version you have selected may now need to be downloaded again. But that's all you have to do, and that's how easy it is to revert an update and play on an older version on Steam. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.